Hi, this is a demo for F-53, post outgoing payment for vendors. Here we are going to discuss the manual process, the Winshuttle template creation, and then the process where we use the template for F-53 using Winshuttle runner. So to start with, we are going to talk about the manual process. So the manual process is to indicate the F-53 transaction code and then provide the information like document date, document type, company code. You could also change posting date, you could add period, and then you could also indicate the currency. Here as an example, we place reference, we put document header text and clearing text, but these are optionals. What is important is you put the bank account and the amount. You could also indicate, though it is optional, the value date and the text. And then here you indicate the vendor code, and as an example we use the document number to process the open items, but you could also use reference, depends on your use cases. Now we add the document number as an example here, and then process open item. So you have to make sure that the balance is 0, then you can do simulate. Then you see the entries, and then you click save and you will have the document number. Now the Winshuttle template creation, you go to transaction and you create a new recording. You indicate the transaction code and then you can start recording. You will do the same manual process as you see earlier. It's the same. So based on your use cases, you could put some information on the fields that you need. Otherwise, if you don't need it, then you could skip that field. So basically, I'm just doing the manual process again to record the steps. Process open item. We indicate the document number. And then we process the open item. Again, make sure that it is balanced. You could simulate, this is optional, just to see the journal entries, and you could click save. And there, your document is created. And then when you click save, the recording finished. And afterwards, you could do the mapping on your Excel template. Okay. When doing a mapping, you have an option. You could drag and drop, or you could use the auto map. In our case, we are going to do drag and drop because we would like to have the columns based on our alignment. Okay. So in this example, I would like to have the run log and the validation log in column A and B, and then the other data will be on the C onwards. So if this example is 1:1, meaning 1 in 1 document number, meaning if we clear one document number, then we can just do auto run and drag and drop. However, if we are going to clear multiple document number against the bank amount, Then we have to create a loop. So the loop will be on the document number. So this is the process of creating a loop. So basically, I duplicated the SAP screen 0731 and changed the OKI code to \00. That means \00 is to keep repeating the data that I have entered. And then the loop is a command that it will stop when it finished. So in this example, we could perform we could process several lines based on what is needed. You could also use your source file to have formulas in order to automate the template creation. What is important as well is that you publish the template that you create so that when you have the Excel template, you don't need to look for the script. So here I have the Excel template. So the next step is to connect to Winshuttle and to connect to SAP. So if you have auto logon, that will be better, because you could just log on automatically to your SAP system, and once it is log on, you can then click run. So imagine if you're doing this manually and you have several lines, then it will take you a lot of time. While with Winshuttle, it will take you just a couple of seconds to finish everything. That's it. Thank you.